Before buying a smoker box for your gas grill, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many options look the same, but the real differences are hidden deeper. Let's uncover the best choices that will actually elevate your grilling experience. Product number 1, Skyflame Smoker Box. First up is the Skyflame Wood Chip Smoker Box. Priced at $20.59, this sturdy stainless steel box caught my eye with its unique hinged design. If you want a reliable smoker box that allows easy access while grilling, this is worth a serious look. What's impressive about the Skyflame Smoker Box is its thicker construction. This means it can withstand high temperatures without warping. The dense wavy vent design ensures that you get a uniform smoke that permeates your food beautifully. With dimensions of 12.5 inches long, it fits perfectly on gas grill flame deflector bars, allowing for intense smoke flavor while keeping your grill clean. Plus, it's compatible with various wood chips, so you can experiment with flavors like hickory or mesquite. Now, some users mention that the size might be a bit bulky for smaller grills. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about smoking your meats, that extra space is actually a benefit for more smoke. This is perfect for you if you love smoking food and want a sturdy option that won't let you down. Skip this one if you have a compact grill and are looking for something more portable. Overall, it's a great value for the price. Now, if the size of the Skyflame bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Grillaholic Smoker Box. Next, we have the Grillaholic Smoker Box, retailing at $20.95. This one grabbed my attention due to its easy access hinged lid and large capacity. If you want a quick and user-friendly way to add smoky flavor to your meals, you should definitely consider this one. What sets the Grillaholics box apart is its extra-thick stainless steel construction, which really holds up against heat without warping. It fits nicely over any grill flame, making it super versatile. The large capacity means less time refilling wood chips, more time spent enjoying your barbecue. It's designed for both gas and charcoal grills, so no matter your setup, you're covered. However, some users found it a bit too large for smaller gas grills. But honestly, if you're into smoking, having that extra capacity is a huge plus. You want more smoke, right? This is perfect for you if you enjoy grilling often and want a reliable smoker box that can handle heavy use. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact and easy to stash away. For the quality and price, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for universal compatibility. Product number 3, Weber Premium Smoker Box. The next product is the Weber Premium Universal Smoker Box, priced at $39.98. What caught my eye here is its reputation for quality and design. If you want something that fits most grill sizes and infuses your food with rich smoky flavors, this is definitely worth considering. Weber is known for its durable products, and this smoker box is no exception. Made from stainless steel, it's designed to withstand the heat while allowing you to easily fill it with wood chips even while cooking. With dimensions of 9.8 by 4.5 inches, it's compact yet effective, fitting seamlessly into most grills. The ability to continuously add chips means you can keep that smoke flowing, which is key for that depth of flavor. However, some reviews noted that it might not hold enough chips for longer cooks. Now for casual grillers, this might not be an issue, but if you're planning a long smoke session, you might need to keep an eye on it more closely. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, high-quality smoker box that's easy to use. Skip this one if you need something with a larger capacity for extended smoking sessions. Honestly, it's a solid investment for quality grilling. Now, if you want something that comes with a complete set of grilling accessories, this next option might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Cooking Gift Set Smoker Box. Coming up next is the Cooking Gift Set Barbecue Smoker Box, priced at $49.99. What caught my attention here is that it's more than just a smoker box, it's a whole barbecue kit. If you want a complete package that includes everything from wood chips to a meat thermometer, this is a fantastic option. This smoker box is made from heavy-duty stainless steel, so it's built to last. It not only fits on gas and charcoal grills, but comes with 3 flavors of wood chips and even a meat thermometer. This means you can start smoking right away without needing to buy anything else. The hinged lid is great for quick refills, and it's dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. However, some users felt it was a bit pricier than standalone boxes. But when you consider everything included, like the wood chips and thermometer, it's actually a good deal. You get a lot for your money here. This is perfect for you if you're new to smoking and want everything in one package. Skip this if you're just looking for a basic smoker box. Overall, it's an excellent gift for barbecue enthusiasts. Now, if you're looking for something specifically designed for gas grilling, our final product might just be what you need. Product number 5, Napoleon Smoker Box. Finally, we have the Napoleon Stainless Steel Smoker Box, priced at $30.99. What stood out to me was its ability to easily turn your gas grill into a smoker. If you want to add rich, smoky flavor to your barbecue without much hassle, this could be the one for you. This smoker box is designed to rest on sear plates, making it incredibly easy to use. It's made from durable stainless steel, ensuring it holds up against the heat. It has a good capacity for wood chips, giving you ample opportunity to infuse your dishes with that desired smoky flavor. Its compact size of 16.25 by 2.54 inches also means it won't take up too much space on your grill. However, some users found that it may not fit all grill models perfectly. But if you have compatible grills like the Prestige Pro or Rogue series, it's a great option that won't disappoint. This is perfect for you if you own a gas grill and want an easy way to add smoke flavor without a complicated setup. Skip this if you have a smaller grill and are looking for a more compact option. For the price, it offers excellent quality and performance. So there you have it, the top 5 smoker boxes for gas grills. From the sturdy Skyflame to the complete cooking gift set, there's something here for everyone. Each option has its strengths, so think about what fits your grilling style best. Happy grilling!